Okay, we're going to wrap up the chapter now. Kind of continue on from the last thing from the string builder. We do have the two-string method, and basically what it allows us to do is take a string builder class and convert that object into a string class. And it's just like we've seen before. We just, in this case, I've got string builder strb equals new string builder. This is a test, and then I say string str. So strb as a string builder, str as a string, and I say strb dot toString, and it just converts it to a toString, so not a big deal. So if we can, we'll continue on and take a look at this big old computer program called Telephone. So let me go ahead and bring it up. And so here we have the telephone class. So this is a class. It's not a void main. So here we have two constants called formatted length. It's 13. So it's final static int. Okay, and final static int unformatted length of 10. So we have two constants. So unformatted and formatted, 13 and 10. So here I've got public static boolean is formatted string str. So we're passing in a string and we are returning a boolean. So we can say if str length is equal to the formatted length and string at char at 0 is equal to a left parenthesis and the string.char at the fourth position is equal to a right parenthesis and the string at char at is equal to a dash, we say valid equals true. So what do you think we're formatting here? So formatted length is 13. So parenthesis, number, then a dash, it would be space, number, dash, number. So there we have, looks like we're doing a phone number. I don't think we got a space. We're not counting the space. So 14 would be with the space and 13 without the space. Else valid equals false. So then we say valid equals true, so that's a boolean. Else is set to false and we return valid. Okay? So basically if we give a number, then we will basically, and it's formatted like a phone number with parentheses and all the numbers and the dashes all in the right spot, it will come back with true. So if we take a look at telephone tester, again this has a void main, so we have a string phone number, scanner keyboard, and we go ahead and say the phone number is equal to whatever we type in, and then we can say the enter the telephone number formatted as boom, and then we say phone number is equal to whatever we get from the scanner keyboard, and then I say system out print unformatted telephone number telephone.unformat phone number. So if we go back over here, looks like we have some more. So here we have unformat. So here we have a string builder, strb is equal to a new string builder, and we bring in a string. If is formatted string, so go up here and look, it's checking to see if it's formatted. If it is, then we go ahead and delete the character at 0, delete the character at 3. If you look up here, it was looking at 4. Why are we going to delete it at 3 now? Well, guess what? If we delete position 0, 1 now becomes 0, so we've shifted everything over to the left. So you got to think about that when we're doing deletes. If I delete this character, everything shifts over 1. So if I delete character 4, guess what? I've deleted the wrong item. So I come over here and I also insert a dash at position 8. Okay, and then I basically do a return. So it looks like we're removing the parentheses and adding a dash. So let's see how this works. I go ahead and run it, and I type in and I click OK, and that string contains 0 letters, 10 digits, and 0 white space characters. And does it do anything else? Well, apparently, did we even see the unformat? I don't think we even saw it. Wow. Let's try it again. So, we run this guy. Come on, baby. Come on. So, 309, 555, and I hit the enter key. Okay, formatted. It's 309 555 1234. Enter the telephone. Okay. Okay, let me try it again. So, unformatted. So it unformats it again. So formatted is that, unformatted is that. Okay, so it basically takes it out. Okay. So what was that doing with the dash? So it, oh, insert. Okay. So if the string is unformatted, then we go ahead and change it to formatted. If it is, okay, I see. So pretty cool stuff. So we got a lot of good string methods. We've got the string builder class that's got a little bit more than what the string has. You can kind of go out and look at the APIs for that. There's a lot of good powerful stuff the string builder has. I think that's about all we're going to cover for chapter 9. Yeah, so we're going to continue on next week with 9.5. We get into tokenizing strings. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my ice cream. Delicious. Chocolate. We'll see you next week.